everyone, thank you for joining us today in OceanAlpha's webinar. My name is Jason Liu. I'm the Sales Director of International Business Division. At OceanAlpha, we develop and supply USV solutions to different applications in inshore, nearshore, and offshore. Today, we'll be discussing the topic of extending your survey capability with OceanAlpha USV fleet. We are also looking forward to meet you in OI exhibition to discuss more details and proposals. Our stand number is 3450. Today's webinar includes 3 parts. In the first section, I will give you a general introduction of our USV solution for marine and offshore survey. In the second part, my colleague Zhi Hong will show you the USV in our factory by following her camera. In the last section, we will share some of our user application cases. If you have any questions and want to know more details, please leave your message and contacts in this webinar room, so our colleague can contact you after the webinar. Okay, so let's get started with the presentation today. Thank you.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the presentation. Before my presentation, I would like to give you a brief introduction of our company OceanAlpha. We are a company founded in 2010 and we are one of the biggest USV solution suppliers in the world. We are the first company in China that developed the USV, and now we are the biggest one in China. We have more than 500 employees, and our product have been sold to more than 40 countries. In total, we have delivered more than 2,000 product units to the customer worldwide. So our business category, mainly, we start with the environmental measurement, which is typically like water quality sampling and water quality monitoring. So, and then we moved from the inland waters to deep waters. We do the marine survey with hydrographic, geophysical, oceanographic with a bigger USV. And then we have the security and rescue products. The final is the unmanned cargo. It's an ongoing project that could be ready in the future. That's to use autonomous vehicle to transport the containers, the goods. Our sales network, we have started our international business from 2015, and now we have sold to 40 countries. And we have delivered more than 2,000 units, include that 800 USV systems. In most of the case, we work with our resellers, our distributors. In some case, depends on the projects, we work with customers. So we expect in the near future that a lot of robotic vehicles is helping humans to explore, to develop, to protect our ocean, with higher efficiency and lower power consumptions. And actually, it's not only the USV service, but also the drone in the air, and the underwater vehicles. They combine together as a comprehensive working platform. It's actually not the dream, but it's something happening right now. As OceanAlpha, we are a USV company. We have been engaged with a project we call ISOX. It's Intelligent Swift Ocean Observation Systems, which is a project of South Marine Science Laboratory. So it's a mother vessel project, and it's going to be 2,000 tons displacement, and it's designed to unlimited navigation except ice areas. It already have been built 2 years, so we expect the mother vessel could be ready at the end of this year. And the main purpose is of this mother vessel system is to deploy unmanned vehicles like USVs, not only USV but also the drones and also the underwater vehicles, for scientific research, for the commercial survey, with the seabed mapping, and also the typhoon observation and the eddies observation, which is help our scientists to get real-time data. So OceanAlpha, as a supplier of the USVs, we have been engaged deeply in this project. We have provide 10 units of L25 USV, which I can introduce later, and 4 units of M40P, and 32 units of smaller USV for bathymetry survey with single beams. So to date, with the introduction of the ISOS project, I would like to mainly introduce OceanAlpha's bigger vessel for offshore applications like M40P and L25 USVs. Well, the M40P and L25, they're designed as a working platform for hydrographic survey, oceanography observation, geophysical survey. They work in nearshore and offshore for our customers to collect data. And the platform with M40P is 4.5 meters and L25 is 7.5. They are similar catamaran designs, but they're different in payload capacities and profilings options, which L25 is more powerful and bigger. So I would like to start with the M40P key features. As you can see, the M40P is a catamaran design, but we optimize to increase its performance and stability with a unique hull design. It can greatly reduce the noise for the web payloads, for the transducers. So it creates a good environment for the transducers to generate the high quality data. In the video is the M40P working in the wavy waters. Well, M40P, it's a design with electric propulsions, but it comes with range extenders. So it's using a clean energy to create a super quiet working environment, because for example, when you're doing the profiling, you can turn off the generator to make the boat super quiet for your profiling. The endurance is about 24 hours in survey mode, and if you work in the self-keeping mode, it's about 3 days, 72 hours. Well, another key features of M40P system is that we use the we call dual system modular design. Actually, we divide the platform and the payload system in different package, and this means that the customer can much easier to integrate different payloads, depends on their needs, and in the after sales maintenance, it will be easier for the engineer to repair or to maintain with the modular designs. There are also some mechanical device in M40P to help our customers to collect profiling, like such as SPP and CTD sensors. We use automatic winches to support. An automatic lifter is for the wet payloads, such as transducers and motion sensors. So when the finish the survey, The automatic lifter can pull out the payloads, which we can protect the sensors, which is expensive, and also it save your USV energy. Well, there's typical payload options for the M40P. The M40P have great payload capacities to integrate multi payloads, typically such as the multi-pin echo sounders and sub-bottom profilers, compact sub-bottom profilers, and ADCP and LiDAR, side scan, and magnetometer. Depends on the project purpose and the missions of customers. So there's flexible payload options can be chosen. Here is the general specifications of the M40P. As you can see, communication using Wi-Fi, radio, and satellite network. With environment sensing, here is the radio and navigation radars. The transportation, you can transport M40P with truck, container, and trailer, which is common way of the transportation. For launch and recovery, you need a crane in a truck, or you can launch from your mother vessels. Well, here comes with the L25 USV. L25 USV is like bigger version of M40P, but with more powerful performance and parameters. It have longer hull, is 7.5 meters, so it comes with higher stability for higher sea state. And it comes with bigger payload, bigger moon pool designed. The payload's capacity up to 200 kilograms, and higher speed with a more powerful model. It can reach 10 knots, long endurance, and it can provide the towing options for side scans. So I have introduced the M40P and L25. My colleague Zhihong will show you the USV in factory, that we can follow her camera to get a close look at the boat in our factory.
Welcome to OceanAlpha's webinar session. I am Zhihong, the marketing manager of the company. Today, I am at the headquarters of OceanAlpha, and I'm going to introduce you some of the fabulous products that are part of the ISOOS USV fleet. The first one you're going to see is the M40P Long Endurance Multifunction USV. This USV just got back from its previous task, so it might be a little bit dirty. Please don't mind it. What makes a USV capable of accomplishing tasks without hitting any obstacle? The radar and the cameras are the key components. On the top of the M40P, you may find the navigation radar. It also has 4 cameras on each side: the front, the back, the left, and the right. These devices enables the operators to monitor the situation and the locations of the USV even on shore. All the data will be transmitted via the antennas. The M40P USV is equipped with both private network antennas and remote control antennas. But if you're going to conduct survey under some extreme conditions, such as Antarctic regions, we'll suggest you to add satellite antennas to your USV. It is also worth noting that the 3 communication modes could be switched over automatically to ensure a stable communication status for your operation. Let's have a closer look at the USV. This is the automatic lifter, which can retrieve the equipment such as sensors when the service is finished to protect them from loosening or jamming, and the speed could be enhanced by the way. Next to it, it is the automatic winch, which enables a towing survey. Here, have a look at these cabins. The M40P has 4 cabins like this, so you may restore some devices and instruments that you're going to use for the survey. And it's big enough, so I think you'll be able to hide some of your snacks or beers. I'm just kidding. Here, let's have a look at the electric propellers. We've got 2 here, and these propellers could be switched off if you're going to conduct some survey which require quiet environment, especially those with the sensitive acoustic devices. This is what we have with the M40Ps, and here on the square, we've got 3 M40Ps. Why not join me to have a look at the L25 on the other side of the square? And you may also take the time to have a glance of our building. The whole building just looks like a super giant catamaran USV. And in this building, we've also got a factory, a test lab, a command center inside. And we also got an inland test port over there and offshore test areas over there quite far away from here. So we've got a lot of tests before our USV is going to be delivered or to be produced, to be delivered. This is the L25. It is quite more bigger than the M40P, obviously. It is 7.5 meters long. Super huge here. I think that's all for my journey here, and thank you for joining me. Thank you for joining me, and let's get back to Jason to the next section.
Well, welcome back from the camera tour from my colleague Zhihong. Well, in the final part, I would like to share more with you about the USV applications of M40P or L25. As you may know, that the USV is getting a lot of attentions in the offshore market, especially the renewable energy market, like the wind farm operations and maintenance support. There are already projects on the market that are using USVs because that as a repetitive work of the maintenance, it's the best option, to use a robotic to do the work. Most of our customer reflects that the typical issue of the wind farm is the scouring of the pile foundations that we need to maintenance every period. So with the options of USV that we support our customers to do the wind farm maintenance. This is a project that we deliver USV to our customer in China. It comes with a real-time 3D sonar and sub-bottom profilers. So it really give a good health check to the pile foundation to help our service company to give good maintenance of the whole wind farm facilities. The next application is the oil and gas pipeline inspection. Last year we have delivered M40P solution in Malaysia project. The HGIS using our M40P to use in the pipeline inspection for the company Shell. We have improved that the USV to help our customers in data collection with a high efficiency, with less investments. So that's why the oil and gas sector is giving a lot of demand to USV operations. The next application is the geophysical survey. We help our customer, China Geological Survey, to deliver with M40P unit. It working with the mother vessels to deploy the magnetometers 6x2, and the M40P work in the cell skipping mode for the observation. Well, in the last case of the USV application node, we have L25. Typically, it deploys multiple echo centers and work in our artificial islands to help our marine construction company to define the details of underwater topography, which you can see the USV collecting data in a stable way. So in the end, I would like to say that the US fleet is now happening in the offshore market to helping customers to operate, to maintain their facilities in the offshore with lower cost in the long run, and with less investment of personnel and money. Yeah. So I sincerely hope that the OceanAlpha USV solutions auctions have the honor and opportunity to help our customers worldwide support with the solution, support cost-effective, appropriate solutions. So basically, thank you for your thank you for your time, and this basically that's all for my presentation.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for spending time with us today. I hope you feel comfortable and confident with the USV survey in offshore applications. Please feel free to reach out to me via email if you are interested or want to know more. We are looking forward to meeting you in our exhibition. In the end, have a good day, stay healthy and stay safe. Goodbye.